Titiro, look, here comes Tamanui te rā. Morena, Mr. Sun. Morena, Pāpā Rākau. Kia ora, my name is Kōkā. Here in the forest with me live 5 Patupaiarehe. Let's meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro Tribe. What's in your ringa-ringa hands?
It's a hua kōkā. It can be used as a water container and a taonga pūoro instrument too. This is my favourite taonga pūoro instrument. Have a listen.
There's no sound coming from my hue.
I can help you, Oo. Kia ora. Hi there, pōpokorua. Oh no, my hue.
Waya, wow. Tēnā koutou, Tākaro Tribe.
Wow.
I have a message. Tuatara has a problem. His pet has gone missing. Can you help him?
Of course. But what about my favourite hue?
Don't worry, we'll find Tuatara's pet and your hue too.
Go visit Pāpā Rākau. Maybe he can help you.
Amariki mā, noho mai ki aku kakiaka, whakarongo mai ki ngā kōrero o te ao marama.
Tākaro Tribe, you've arrived.
Kia ora, Pāpā Rākau.
What's the problem, Tākaro Tribe?
Tuatara's mokai is missing.
What kind of pet is it, or?
It's a pet toka, rock.
You don't say.
Ours also missing her favourite hue. It was stolen by Pōpokorua.
Pōpokorua stole the hue. Seems like Pōpokorua wasn't aware of what he took.
Why do you think that, Pāpā Rākau?
Let's have a look. Pōpokorua is one of the most hard-working insects. He carries many goodies from his environment back to its ant colony. You said the pet rock went missing, right? Maybe he also took Tuatara's pet rock. Hey, Pōpokorua! Have you seen a hue? Or a pet rock at your ant colony?
He has seen it! Hurrah!
Pōpokorua, can you please take Tākaro Tribe to your colony?
Small problem, Pāpā Rākau. How do we get there?
Pooh will take you.
Yay! Watch out! Out of the way!
Sorry, my friends. The wind was a bit too strong. All aboard Tākaro Tribe.
Karakia first, Pooh. Angi hauraro mātai heni mai. Puritia auta atai. Tēnā te pau o tangaroa. Karere ki moana nui ki moana roa. Te papa nui o tangaroa.
Follow Pōpokorua, Pooh.
Ka pai. All aboard Tākaro Tribe.
Hei koreira, Pāpā Rākau.
There's the moana. See?
Yay!
Can you still see Pōpokorua?
Aye, he's going towards Tātahi, the beach. Look, there's a kāhui Pōpokorua ant colony.
Hold on, Tākaro Tribe. We've arrived safely.
Oh, there's the kāhui Pōpokorua ant colony. I can't see my favourite hui. It's okay, we'll find it. Keep your eyes peeled. Look, it's Tuatara's pet rock next to the white poro purple flowers.
These ones?
No, those are the kanikani green leaves.
White poro, purple. Oh, these ones.
Good work, There! I can see my favourite hui! Yay! Thank you, Pōpokorua, for all your help. We'll return Tuatara's pet to him. But first, let's sing!
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Kōkā.
How did everything go today?
It was awesome. We learned a new word. Hui.
Let's spell the new word. That's fantastic, Tākaro Tribe. Oh, Pāpā Rākau is calling you.
See ya, Kōkā.
Kia ora again, Tākaro Tribe. It looks like you've done well today.
Absolutely.
Let's celebrate.
Hoorah!
Let's take a look at what you did today. When A was helping U with his hue, Pōpokorua mistakenly took A's hue. Pū took you to the beach, to the ants colony, where you worked together to find not only the hue, but Tuatara's pet rock too. And you learnt the word of the day, hue. He-u-e, hue. That was an awesome day.
What a fun day, Tākaro Tribe. Time to say goodnight. Pō Māori e. Good night, Tākaro Tribe.
Oroi a tō mata, parai he hia o niho, kuhuna o kakamoe pō Māori e kuhu ki te moinga, takoto